Because we're gonna talk about it.
I don't want to talk.
Ta-da! All right, guys. Shabalaba ding dong blooper reel. Oops, I gotta turn the music off first. Don't listen to this, we'll get demonetized. Ah! Carl can edit. You know what? I'm not talking today. Well, that was about as simple as I anticipated. I really have a lot of. Oh, okay. I guess that'll happen. On a BMW 335. I'm gonna drop you first, because that's what all the cool kids do. Carl, edit that out. Why does it say I'm recording, but not recording?
And we're back in the shop. And we have Chad.
We never left the shop.
We never left the shop. And we got the Pyle. You guys remember last time you saw Pyle, like this time last year, and Chad was pulling the engine, and we put a new one in, and we towed the car backwards?
Oh, like 48 hours?
Cut to the footage right here.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, doo-dah day.
Yeah. So how long did that engine last, that junkyard?
48 hours.
48 hours. We found it in Michigan underneath a porch, and it was raining on it.
It's actually a decent engine. It's still right here. We took this apart yesterday. 8 of the 12 rocker arms were knocked off because the hub spun. The hub is over here. I'm not gonna explain this design to you, but it's really dumb.
So it's just like friction pressed on.
Yeah, 1 bolt through the center of all of everything that makes your engine work.
That's pretty dumb. If only there was a company that made like a hub lock kit, like maybe like hiddenmotorsports.com, you can
If
get
only
it.
somebody wouldn't have lied to me and said the engine was fine, I would have changed it. But
That's strange. Oh, so we guys can talk to you about the Gasan engine now because we have that back. Remember how?
pretty sure we're allowed to do that.
Yeah, remember last year? Was it last year or the year before?
2019, I popped the first stock engine in this. And I had a talks of a sponsorship deal with Gasan, so I sent my whole car to him. And that was
You guys remember that? He had the car for about a year to do an engine swap.
a journey.
Chad got it back, and on the first track day, it just started knocking right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this was on like low boost, not even pushing it. So a year later, after lots of fighting with him, we finally got another built engine back. Part of his warranty process was you're not allowed to talk bad about the company or your experience, or I'm not going to give you your engine back. So that turned into us writing some emails, like strongly worded emails.
I want to speak to your supervisor. Better yet, I'm gonna write a letter.
Anyways, we got this motor back. Who knows if it's even built properly? So was it piston rods, head studs, or just piston rods?
Pistons, rods, bearings, arc studs. And the crank's supposed to be machined together, but or the crank hub.
Oh, the crank hub. We'll see. Can't see. I don't know. Can't really see down there.
We're gonna have to take it apart. I mean, look, you've got, what is this, number, this is 2 or 3.
Why
You've
is
got
there
Plye
Plye?
there, that's good. This is 4, rock solid. You got Plye here in 5, that's okay. But this
Uh-oh.
still shouldn't be solid.
Little man, he's our helper today. Hey, buddy. How you doing? You zooming around? Vroom vroom. To baby. Ooh. Zoom zoom.
This out here.
Zoom zoom. What's our goal with the car? Just swap it and go fast?
Make it run for more than 48 hours would be cool.
Make it run for 48, so we're going for 72 hours on this engine.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make 72 hours that would count. They're
Straight.
all gonna be straight launches.
One after another. That's how you're going to break in this motor. Engine is out, looking great. Not really looking great. There's probably what, 5, 6 vent valves?
Yeah, 8.
8, 10,
Minimum
12. But we're gonna wrap up